In the heartlands of rural India, where the rhythm of life is synchronized with the seasons, a quiet revolution is underway. It's not driven by grand speeches, but by the humble hum of technology. Over the past few years, drones have gained popularity in agriculture, offering farmers numerous advantages such as enhanced efficiency, increased yields, and cost savings. RFLY AGRI XL10. The best-in-class agri drone from RFLY Innovations with its sleek and compact form factor. Imagine a drone that weighs 40% less than drones available in the market, can cover 40% more area than its counterparts with a staggering 50% increase in efficiency. With its user-friendly interface and intuitive controls, even the most technologically challenged farmer can harness the power of drone technology to improve their yields and livelihoods by just a click. Studies show that precision farming methods can increase yields by about 5%, which is a big improvement in an industry where profits are usually lower. The growing reliance on drones can be attributed to their ability to lower production expenses, improve farming yields, and reduce losses from cultivation, all while decreasing the number of vehicles on farmlands further upon. Celebrating 75 years of independence, the Kisan Drone Scheme revolutionizes farming practices, empowering farmers with innovative drone technology for enhanced productivity and profitability. This innovative technology, endorsed by the Union Finance Minister, holds the promise of empowering farmers and enhancing the profitability of agriculture. Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi's commitment to endorse drone innovations in agriculture is evident by supporting agri startups. Innovations like the RFLY AGRI XL10 with its cutting-edge technology and unwavering commitment to the farmer community. RFLY Innovations Private Limited is not just changing the face of agriculture, but also the lives of millions of farmers across the country.